Nestled in the trees on nearly half an acre, welcome to privacy in the city. This newly restored, custom-built home on a lovely wooded lot is ideally located just minutes from downtown Portland and near the city's signature Washington Park and the Oregon Zoo, plus near miles of walking trails. Discover a light-filled interior with a wood-burning fireplace, large windows, and a thoughtfully designed floor plan in this home of more than 2,100 square feet. The updated kitchen features quartz counters, a subway tile backsplash, a built-in refrigerator, and extensive storage. On the upper level, unwind in your spacious master bedroom retreat with a large walk-in closet and 2 separate full baths. Enjoy your morning coffee on the expansive 600-square-foot deck in a perfectly tranquil and private setting. Just off the deck, you'll find a wet bar for easy entertaining. Completing the main level are 2 more large bedrooms, plus an updated main floor bath. This custom home also has a separate entrance to a studio apartment, which is not included in the square footage. A fenced area of the spacious lot is perfect for your pets or your garden. And you'll find 2 custom sheds for all your garden or project needs. Feel like you're on vacation all year long while enjoying close-in city convenience. You'll find it all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.